Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel where we learn, we unlearn, and we teach. Today I'll be talking about how to prevent saggy breasts. In this video, I'll give you some methods or I'll explain some methods you can use in order to prevent your breast from sagging. The first thing you have to do is to make use of a good bra. As a lady, try to invest on your bra. Make use of a good bra, a bra that will be able to support your breast very well, a bra that will be able to keep your breast intact, a bra that will be able to give you a good posture. Go to the market, look for a very strong bra to use. It will help you to prevent your breast from saggy. The second thing you have to do is to eat nutritious food, especially fruits and vegetable. Unlike anybody, unlike a man, unlike a woman, it is very good to eat healthy. It is very good to eat nutritious food. It helps to build the elasticity of your body and keeps your body firm. The third thing you have to do, drink a lot of water. When you drink a lot of water, it helps your body mechanism to function properly and to keep your body firm, to keep the parts of your body moving, to keep your body active. Water helps a lot. So as a lady, you have to drink a lot of water. This will help to keep your breast firm. This will help to prevent your breast from saggy. The fourth thing you have to do, stop smoking. Yes, as a lady, if you want to maintain your breast, if you want your breast not to sag very fast, stop smoking. You already know that smoking will destroy organs in your body. That is, smoking will not only help to destroy other organs in your body like your liver, but it will also help to destroy the elasticity of your breast and make it to sag very fast. So if you are smoking and you want to prevent your breast from sagging, stop smoking. This is very important. Another point that will help your breast from sagging: don't use hot water to take your bath. Some people will use very hot water to take your bath. When you use hot water or very hot water to take your bath, it does not only destroy your flesh, it also destroys the elasticity of your whole body. Your whole body will become very soft or becomes very twist. That is how your breast too will become very twist. So when you take your bath, make use of warm water, but not too hot water. It is not good for anybody. When you see people who are using a lot of hot water on their bodies, their body becomes, I don't know how to explain it, but it becomes too soft. The elasticity is gone. It's not soft, it's not fresh. So you don't have to use hot water on your body. It helps to destroy the elasticity of your body and your breast. For those who already have breasts that are already looking down, this is what you can do to make it look good again. You can use olive oil. If you already have a saggy breast and you don't know what to do, you don't feel comfortable, you can use olive oil. How do you use olive oil to make your breast to look nice again? You get your olive oil, you can get, it is the brand I use. You can get any other brand. You get your olive oil, you take a little bit of it, you put it on your palms, and you use it to massage your breast. Do it every evening before you sleep. Just massage your breast. Massage your breast very well. You see what I'm doing? You massage it like this. Like this. All over. Just rub it all over. That is very effective to make your breast to look more firmer and to look nice. Another tip for those who are already having a saggy breast, you can also use coconut oil to massage your breast. This is coconut oil. You can have it in any brand. You can have it anywhere. It's very common. You can even make it at home. You can also use this. You apply on your breast and you massage it every evening before you sleep, and you will see a great change. Your breast will look firmer and it will look very nice. Before I forget, olive oil will also help to take away stretch marks from your breast. If you are using olive oil to massage your breast to help it look more good and firm, it will also help to take away stretch marks from your breast. For those who have stretch mark, take note of olive oil. It's very good for stretch mark. Another thing you can use to maintain a very good breast, to help your breast that is already sagging, is Vaseline. This is Vaseline. The Blue Seal Vaseline. Not any other Vaseline, but this one. This is very effective. This is very effective. When you want to sleep, you take it, you apply it on your breast. Make sure you massage it very well. Make sure you massage it very well all over your breast. It will help your breast to look firmer. It will help your breast to look good. And you will feel comfortable again in your body. I know most women are going through this. They don't know what to do. Some of them will even go and do plastic surgery to make their breasts firm. But just try this method and it will help you. It will help to make your breasts very firm. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Ciao.